Hey everyone, are you ready to unleash the power of Peachtree Accounting 2010 across your small business network? Today, we're going to guide you through installing it on 3 computers, specifically tailored for Amharic-speaking businesses. Before we begin, make sure you have the Peachtree 2010 installation CD or setup files ready. Each of the 3 computers should be properly connected to your local area network or LAN using network cables or Wi-Fi. The first computer will act as the server. Hosting the accounting data, insert the Peachtree installation CD into the first computer, the server. Now, on the server, the CD should auto-run. If it doesn't, navigate to the CD drive and double-click the Setup X or Install file. A setup window will appear. Select Install Peachtree Accounting. Follow the instructions on screen. The setup wizard will appear. Choose Network Installation followed by the Server Installation option. This installs the database and necessary files which are crucial for network operation. Pay close attention here during the install process. You might be given a language selection option. If Amharic language is available for reporting, make sure to select it. If not, you'll have to rely on printing reports in the available installed language and manually translating or customize it later. Once the server installation is complete, a shared drive is selected. Note down the exact path. This shared folder will be accessible to the other 2 computers. If Peachtree doesn't automatically create one, manually create a shared folder and copy the installation files into it. On the remaining 2 computers, navigate to the shared folder that you have configured on your server that contains the Peachtree setup files. Run the setup or install file. Follow the on-screen prompts, but this time select the Workstation Setup option. On each workstation, upon completion of the installation, launch Peachtree. It should prompt you to connect to an existing company. Enter the network path of the shared folder containing the company data files, which is located on our server. Once connected, your 3 computers are networked. You can now access and work on the same company files simultaneously, making your accounting workflow efficient.